Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Paramount Plus on Fire TV, quick fix step by step clearly. Begin by powering on your Fire TV device. Navigate to the home screen. Using the remote, scroll down to find the search icon. Type in Paramount Plus using the on-screen keyboard. Select the Paramount Plus app from the search results. Click on the download or get button to install the app. Once the installation is complete, open the Paramount Plus app. You will see the option to sign in or start a free trial. If you already have an account, choose the sign in option. Enter your login credentials and click sign in. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create one. After signing in, you may see a message to activate your device. Take note of the activation code displayed on your screen. Now, on a separate device, open a web browser. Go to the Paramount Plus activation website. Enter the activation code as instructed. Log in with your Paramount Plus account if prompted. Click Activate to confirm the process. Return to your Fire TV app. Your screen should refresh, and you can now access Paramount Plus content. Enjoy streaming your favorite shows and movies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.